Welcome back to What's Up Stratford, our March edition. I'm here with Andrew Williams, the CEO of the Stratford General Hospital, as well as the Huron Perth Healthcare Alliance. Is that what it is? Sorry, correct me on that one.
That is exactly what it is, yes.
Okay, that's a lot to say. So I think we're going to talk about Stratford, and there's so many exciting things because of the generosity of this community. You have some awesome news for the chemotherapy. Can you tell us about that program and maybe about chemotherapy pharmacy? And connect some dots for me.
Yeah, we recently signed a contract to redevelop our chemotherapy unit and our pharmacy space. Both have a very tight relationship, as you would expect, given the nature of chemotherapy. Construction has started. It's in the west building of the hospital. So if you're driving by, your viewers will see the work going on. Probably finish next late spring, early summer. It's an $18 million investment in both facilities and equipment. Much needed. It's a really important service for this community and provides care closer to home for those who need to undergo that type of treatment. We have a great team, and the space, has been very limited in the last number of years. So we're really excited to have this work ongoing and to be able to provide a world-class space that is very much supported by this community through the foundation campaign.
Yeah, the begs the question, though. The foundation has to raise the money for it, and then the government funds the operating, or how does that model work?
Typically, with hospital construction of this nature, it's fundraised through the community, and then the hospital itself will contribute dollars as appropriate. The day-to-day operating costs of services like chemotherapy are part of our global budget, with the majority of that coming from the government. But hospitals have historically, and we are blessed in this region with the incredible support that we receive, not only in the hospital sector, but really every area of our community that requires funds. We've been remarkably blessed. We're in the midst of a $30 million campaign. We're at 23.1 million currently, and those dollars, in addition to supporting this particular initiative, will have a massive positive impact on a major equipment refresh that includes technology such as a replaced MRI.
So it's kind of funny. Sometimes I'll say something to my wife, and she'll go, "Peter, that was like 7 years ago. Why do we need a new MRI? Isn't that one brand new?"
No, it's not. It's not brand new, and it's something that it's wonderful to have the tools that we do in our hospitals. But like any computer you have at home, every year they're being updated and revised, and a large part of the technology that we have here fits the same vein. So, this equipment is used. It's used regularly, consistently. Does need to be refreshed, renewed. And we have a very robust multi-year planning cycle with all of our equipment so that we know, what the life cycle is and when things do need to be replaced. But it is part of providing the service that we do. We have to make sure that the tools are current, that they are, as much as we can, reflective of the latest technology. It's what our patients deserve, and certainly what our team needs to provide the very best care.
Let's switch gears on a different one, recruiting. So when you have the best equipment, does it give you some, like Stratford's an awesome city as well, but does it give you some upper hand in terms of recruiting the best and world-class physicians?
Well, it certainly is a key piece of the puzzle. You're right. I mean, your comment about Stratford, this community, what it has to offer, the surrounding regions, an incredible asset for us as we're out marketing the healthcare opportunities that are here. But having facilities and technology that are current, contemporary, leading edge is a huge check mark for us. When you think about the majority of the people that we're trying to attract are coming right out of school, have been in large communities, large academic centers. They may have technology that we don't. And so you have to make sure that you're offering the supports that they feel comfortable with to advance their career and provide the care that they want to provide to those that they serve.
Yeah, 100% agree. Andrew, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for your leadership at the hospital and making the hospital a world-class facility. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Peter Maranger, your host of What's Up Stratford. Thanks for joining and make it a great day.